through the ruins of Pompeii.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I really wasn't sure what to expect when I first rode. It's a pretty short ride, but it has a ton of stuff packed into its small duration with pyrotechnics and different design elements and also a thrilling drop at the end. A really fun ride. I have partnered with Rick's Flicks on Mummy Coffee Company. You can get a delicious cup of coffee while also supporting my channel and his, and you won't have to worry about liking your interviews because unlike Brendan Fraser, you will have your cup of coffee. I'm not the first person to run to a water ride, but honestly I like to do them at the end of the day so I'm not walking around in squashy shoes. So if you're like me, save it to the end of the day, but make sure you ride this one because it is really fun. Really do appreciate you guys always watching. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and share with a friend. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.